Assalamu alaikum foodies, welcome back to High on Food. Today we are making a classic crispy fried chicken drumsticks, and if you ever wondered how to achieve that perfect crunchy coating while keeping the meat tender and juicy inside, you're at the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, you should make small deep cuts on both sides of chicken legs. You have to be consistent with your knife. This helps to make the meat tender and allows our flavorful spices to penetrate the meat. Next, place your chicken drumsticks in a large bowl to marinate them properly. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, two teaspoons of red Kashmiri powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Give it a good mix. Yes, like this. And let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least an hour, or for even better results, 3 hours. Now crack an egg and add a pinch of food color. I'm using red strawberry color. Now whisk it in the slow-mo. Add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it all together and our egg coating is ready. Take out your marinated chicken drumsticks and place them neatly. Let your pan heat on the other side. Add around 3 tablespoons of oil and let it maintain medium heat. Now it's coating time. Sprinkle breadcrumbs on chicken legs like this. Flip them and sprinkle breadcrumbs on the other side. We need to roll each chicken leg into this egg mixture one by one. Coat them properly so they can soak in the breadcrumbs. And then back into the breadcrumbs. By doing this, you'll get crispy results. Our pan is ready. Now place the coated chicken legs nicely in the pan. One by one. and let them stir fry for around 7 to 8 minutes per side on medium flame. Now flip, we'll fry from other side. As you can see, you'll get this crispy texture. A crispy fried chicken is ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can see the crispiness of this. I must tell you to try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. High on Food will help us to grow more. Thank you.